Let's go ahead and talk about hardcover books. Hardcover books are really great for a cost-effective way if you've got a client that wants to order maybe multiples throughout the year. What's really great about these books is they are considered a saddle stitch, like a traditional binding. So they are going to bow out in the center there, so they don't lay flat. They are going to be about a text weight paper, so they're a little bit thinner, but still a really beautiful, high quality and press printed book. You're going to see here as well, these start with an individual page on the right, and then they will end with an individual page on the left. So they don't have that seamless spread. They are going to be individual pages here. For these, we also have many material options that you can select from. You're going to be a little bit limited on some of the materials, but still many options that you can select from. You do also have your cameo cover. You can do all of the different styles for the custom photo cover or a full material option. So all of those will still be available for the hardcover books. The other key point thing for the hardcover books is the amount of spreads. You can go all the way up to 75 spreads, which is a great option to add as many images as you want. So great for, family vacation books or coffee table books that you'd like to order for your clients. You do also have 2 paper type options that you can select for your hardcover book. Let's go ahead and place an order for a hardcover book. You can go to whcc.com and under hardcover books, on the right hand side here, you're going to see a little drop down for your sizes, so you can make that selection here, and then go ahead and hit order now. Once you're in your designer here, this is where you can upload your photos at the bottom film strip. So let's go ahead and grab our images here and drag them, drop them right into the builder. Once your images are loaded, now you can start playing around and designing your hardcover book. So it's always going to start with the cover here, and on the right hand side you're going to see all of your cover material options. So you've got your full material, your cameo, your combo cover, and your custom photo cover. So go ahead and select whichever option you'd like to do. If you'd like to do a full material cover option, it is going to show you all of these different materials that you can select from. So go ahead and just make a selection that works best for the album that you are creating. Once you click off, you're going to see the end leaf, so you can't make any changes here. So just go ahead and click to that first page. Once you go to your first page here, this is where you can drag and drop your image. So if you select your image down at the bottom, just click and drag, and it's going to populate the different layouts that you have on the right-hand side. You can navigate to the first page here and do the same thing. So select whichever images on the bottom here that you want to add and drag and drop them right in, and it's going to start to create all of these fun layouts that you can choose from. Now what's really nice here is in the center you can kind of see where it's shadowed. This is going to show you that center gutter area. So you don't want to put anything important like faces or design elements that you don't want to get lost in that area. So what's really nice is you can go in and you can zoom in, make any of these adjustments that you'd like for your spread layout. Once that looks great, you can navigate to the second spread, and down at the bottom here, it is going to gray out any image that you've already used so you don't accidentally use them multiple times. So you can grab the next couple that you want to add to the spread and drag and drop them in here. If I wanted to add an extra one, just in case, I can make that selection here and then go through and select whichever layout works best for those images. Once you get to your last spread here, you can go ahead and hit review. This will bring you to the review page where it shows you the size book that you've ordered or created. It'll show you your spread count and your paper type, and if you need to make any selection changes here, you can do so. Go ahead and hit add to cart, and it's going to bring you to your cart page. If everything looks correct here on the left-hand side, go ahead and hit proceed to checkout. Once you're on checkout, this is where you can make your shipping selections if you want to add a drop ship and send it directly to your client, if you need to add a little reference name or special instructions box, and then you can go ahead and hit place your order.